să-mi iei pliculeț cu iepure, că mi s-a luat somon și vită, mai du-te și...
No! Come on. She's gotta sleep, Papas. Come on. Come on.
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep it?
Go. Go.
What are you doing?
Oh my god.
You're gonna fall! You're gonna fall!
Where did you get that? Careful.
Good one.
What are you doing? Why are you still peeing? Magno!
Tucker, place.
Oh God.
Uncle Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
This?
Oh, it's monkey o'clock.
Baby. Bless you, 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 bless you.
What? What is going on?
Dave, te estás chingando mi...
Hey, buddy, I can't let you outside.
Oh my god. It's okay. Gotta let it go, baby. Okay. Yeah, that's a scary snack.
Stop hunting me. Why are you hunting me?
You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
Mila! Mila! Quit!
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my god!
Good boy, Kenneth.
Kitty, kitty. Wow, your name is Kitty?
Who did?
Bad dog.
You have 2 cookies, and I don't have any.
Luffy, stay. Stay!
No, you jumped over these double baked. No, no. Hey.
Is the cactus your best friend?
There you go!
Yeah, you want pets? No, you want pets? Oh, you want a hat? Bing!
My cat is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah, fuck you!
Okay.
Can you read this? Oh my god!
Are you awake? Hey! Oh, hey. Hello. You want to come over for a treat? I thought so.
Yeah, oh, she ain't moving.
No, she is not.
Oh my gosh.
just flew right above you, huh?
Did you steal the Wi-Fi? Did you?
Those were her hands.
Oh!
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Stop. Stop.
Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning.
Gotta.
Huh?
Hey. Hey. Hey.
I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch!
What it's like having an XL bully.
Come on out.
Córrele, cierra la puerta ahora. Close the door.
Is it time for smelling salts?
What's this?
Hey, Nala, you trying not to make eye contact?
What are you doing?
Hey, what's up? So chunky.
I'm so sorry.
What?
Oh no. No, I don't.
What in the world was that all about? Why'd you just do that?
No, you. Get out. Get out. Get out. No.
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
Hang on. Oh gosh.
Kermit, there's a guy outside and he wants to fight me, and the cat is with him and he wants to fight you. Do you have my back? Come on. Let's go. I know they're gonna fight us. Come on.
No. You're evil. Evil, evil. Oh!
You are a fox. Funky.
Oh, hello.
We made it past midnight. You tired? Let's go to bed, Kermit.
Hello. Ow!
You don't belong in there.
Oh my god. Oh.
I have to go to work. I have to go to work. I have to. I know you're so adorable, but I have to go to work. I know I have to go to work. So I decided to quit work.
So I'm trying to wrap presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh!
Be careful, buddy.
Oh my god.
Hey.